Got a 2011 Ford Escape. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life. Now, the oil light in this is not on right now. I just did the oil pan and it's in between oil changes, so the oil life hasn't ran its full process, but I changed the oil with doing the oil pan, so I want to make sure that I get this reset and everything's up to date. So you're going to put the key in the ignition, turn the key twice, and you'll come up to your normal menu screen. We're going to use these buttons down here. You got the info, setup, and reset. So first you're going to hit the info button to get you out of this stuff, and it might tell you to hit reset. So we'll get out of that, reset to clear that, and then we come up to our normal menu, and then you're going to hit the setup button. So you'll hit the setup again, and it says oil life at, well, it says 100%, but it is actually, so I'm still going to reset it anyway. So you'll hold down the reset button and it'll reset. Oil life set to 100%, and you're good to go.